Hello. Hello, and thanks so much for dropping in. I'm trying to finish off oh, all of the garage finds that I have made, and then I will move on to the pets. That is the plan. So, in there, here it is. Oh, well, I think it's a 1541. I haven't looked, but it probably is. This one came from Kmart for $238, or so it seems. Just give me a moment while I carefully slide off. Oh, slide off the sleeve. And I'm kind of running out of room here, but I'll set that over here. And then off comes one piece of styrofoam. And that should free up the disk drive. And it does. All right, now, sorry, what else do we have here but the user's guide? How handy. It did have good things. This one's in pretty fine shape. Actually, I don't remember seeing this exact version. And there are cables over there that, hey, oh no, 64s are falling. No, excuse me. 64s must stay where they are. It's a silly thing I'm doing. No, I better move these before we have an avalanche. There we go. Okay, 64s. Sit there. Alright, so here we have a 1541. We do. So we will take a power cable and a cable that would go to the serial port, and we will turn it on. I'll try that again. Oh, didn't sound very good. Oh dear. Okay, now there's a flashing light. And I'm smelling something hot. Okay, so I'm going to turn that off. That's not good. I did not intend to do any openings, but bad smells need to be investigated. I wonder what it is. I don't remember when I've had a 1541 go like ballistically hot. Alright, so the lid is off. It can sit with the rest of it. Now I'm not going to touch my nose to anything, but I'm going to sniff around a bit, and I suppose take off the shield. Oh my. Oh, well, I thought I did. Well, the screws do not want to come out. All right. With great care, I am touching things. Well, let's see here. We'll put the power back in. I will hold this ever so delicately. Turn it back on. Maybe I will connect. Ah, that's not the one. Don't pull on the cord. Don't knock things down. It may be. See, I did send a command to it. It may be something to do with the actual drive mechanism that is not spinning. So I'm going to send it a command. Great. Another mystery that I'm not going to resolve at this moment. I'm not. Yeah, this is not. I did not anticipate this. I did not. Oh dear. Well, that didn't go so well. And there's not much else to do with it at this moment. So I think I will go get another 1541. And we will try again. Stay tuned. Thanks for coming. By the way, if you have any thoughts on what it is that could have been smelling bad, let me know. Bye for now.